Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, friends. How are you all, my YouTube community and my lovely friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, friends, for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see, friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing, most attractive designs of fingerless handmade crochet gloves. Viewers, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love this type of beautiful collection. So viewers, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of beautiful crochet handmade fingerless gloves ideas. I really hope that they will love this most amazing collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors in different type of designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and most amazing designs on this video. You can must try this beautiful collection for more beautiful and classical hands look. Thank you viewers for watching this video. For those people who are searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet item. So viewer, if you all love these articles and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. See you soon.